Hello friends, welcome to a new video on my channel. These are my Soundcore Q10 headphones, which I got a year and a half back. And what I've seen that the earpads have completely gone bad. In the sense, the stitching over here, which is like this, you can see this stitching is still here, the stitches, but they have opened up and the inside sponge is completely exposed. Initially it was a small part and then it spread to the entire earpad. Same thing is happened with the other one. And after the opening up, the earpads have deteriorated at a exponentially fast pace. So you can see they are completely gone bad. And because even though I can wear them, since the distance of the height of the pads have gone has increased, the sound is not that great now because of this distance. Also, there is a fair bit of leak of sound from the headphones. So, and the thing is that it doesn't look good. So you can see it looks a bit shabby, uh, not presentable at all. So today, these headphones were under warranty. These are under warranty for 18 months. So if your ear cups also have gone bad, you can always contact Soundcore and get the replacement earpads. I've got a replacement earpads after around 6 months of raising the request. These are the earpads which I've got. They have come through courier. I raised the ticket and it was around 6-7 months back. After a month, they stopped responding to my queries, saying that the earpads are out of stock and they will ship it to me once they are in stock. Uh, After repeated follow-ups, there was no the ticket was not progressing. So I left hopes that I'll get it. But one fine day they arrived through a courier. So this is a good sign that we are getting something back under warranty from Soundcore. So that's great. So today we'll be changing the earpads to the replacement which I've got. Stay tuned. So I've got two screwdrivers. One is a tester and one is a flathead screwdriver. So I'll try to open the pads. As you can see, the pads have to be opened from the black side of it. That is from here. So I'll try to pry open them. So they just can be pried out, as you can see. There are some notches on which these notches fit, and it gets fixed on the. So I'll try it with another one also, the next pad also. Just have to twist and turn, that's all. So these are the spoiled ones. Important thing to note is the right side is the place, once you remove it, you should remember which is the right hand side. The right hand side is where the buttons are placed. Okay, so I'll just open this up and fix this. So I have to just press them in position. That's it. make sure that the clicking sounds have once you press it, you'll get a clicking sound. When you don't hear it, it means it has been fixed. And you can see that there should be a seamless integration. There should not be any gaps in between. Okay, so this is how it is done, folks. So that's it. You can then wear them. See to it they are flush fitting. As you can see, there is no and these are the old ones. Okay folks, so that's it in this video. I just wanted to make a video because this is quite a common headphone, so I wanted people to know how to use it's so easy to fix the replacement pad. So I didn't find any video on the YouTube, so that is the reason why I did this video, to help you friends. Okay, so that's it folks. Stay tuned for a new video on my channel. Bye.